to, gagawa po tayo ng strawberry jam. So last, ano ba kami nagpunta? When did we go to the market?
Pardon?
Market?
Yeah, market.
언제지?
갔을 거야?
Huh?
Days ago.
Okay. 2 days ago, we went to the market and we bought strawberries like in this box. So 3 for $10. Oh, 3 for $10. So almost $10 a month in Korean money. So ito yung type na you can make it into strawberry jam, right? You can make it into strawberry jam. So what I do is gonna wash it first and then continue. Okay?
How many boxes?
So we bought like, what we will do is to wash with the cold water. So lalagyan na tayo dito. So hanguin lang natin siya. Put it in one big cauldron or pot. So mamaya, separate natin yung may medyo hindi na maganda. Nasakalupa natin yung itong green. Alisin natin itong green sa taas. So the last batch. Woo! Shower. Para lang mawala yung kapok. Styrofoam. Okay. This is it. So next, we will peel it. Patalupan natin ito. Not peel, patatalupan natin ito. Tagay natin itong green. And then check kung pwede siya o natapon na siya. So usually, yung mga strawberry na pang jam matanis. So natanggalin natin. Ayaw natin yung may mga ganito. Ayaw natin yung ito niya. Medyo ganyan na. So hindi naman natin siya itatapon. Tatanggalin lang natin yung part na sira. Parang not usable. So, lamog na lamog na. So that's it. So babalik tayo after 1,000 years. So sabi ko kanina magagawa kami ng strawberry jam. So ang dami-daming tatalupan. So sabi nila they want to help. So ito sila. So let's do this. Hindi picture mo. Don't cut one and then you eat one. Di mo wala na tayo ng strawberry jam.
said eat.
Mommy didn't say eat. She just said one. Eat 10 pieces. Why is this one here? So why? Do you like strawberries?
Yeah.
Why do you like strawberries?
Because it's yummy.
It's yummy. You tell to the people what are the fruits that you like. Tell them.
Mango. What are you doing, Dad?
Why?
I like mango,
What else?
kiwi, pineapple, jajangmyeon.
Jajangmyeon is
What?
not a fruit.
I am chicken. And
How about Ria? What do you like? Tell the camera.
Right?
Tell the camera. Tell the camera. Yeah, fruit that you like. Chicken is not a fruit.
What is? Strawberry.
Strawberry? What else?
Soda.
What is podo? What is podo? Podo is grape,
That's great.
not podo.
Photo.
Po- potato.
I want
아빠
potato.
이거는 너무 썩었다.
I guess only the strange things you have to cut.
이거 진짜 썩었다.
What is malang-malang? Natapos na natin talupan lahat ng ating mga strawberries. And right now, I'm just gonna do a final rinse. And then we will be using the handheld blender para i-puree natin ito. Okay?
Do you want to know?
Now, using our hand blender, we will be making this into a strawberry puree.
And I think I have this because
Let's begin! Lagyan nyo lang ito ng yellow para strawberry shake na siya. Lagyan nyo ng milk or cream. And then freeze it. Strawberry ice cream na siya. Mix it with flour. Pwede nyo nang gawing strawberry cake. So, bread. Pero usually ang ginagawa nila kasi what I heard, yung strawberry, pag naluluto siya, pag nabibake siya, it doesn't come out really bright red or bright pink. Kaya naglalagay sila ng food coloring. Okay. Just make sure lang natin na wala tayong mga lumps. Kaya naghahanap tayo ng hindi pa. Sikot lang natin dyan. We're doing this to break the, yung sugars natin. Kasi lalo na pag diluto siya, yung natural sugar niya, talagang lalabas na. So, ayan. I think it's done. So, our next step, we're gonna put it on fire. So, nilagay na natin siya on stove. We're gonna start the fire. So, let's just make it boil. Tapos, pag nag-boil na siya, simmer down natin siya. Bantayan natin kasi ayaw naman natin ng sunog na strawberry jam. Okay? So, right now, I put also like the juice of 1 lemon. And it's boiling. Kasi ngayon, lalagay ko na yung sugar. Any jam, kailangan talaga may sugar. So, this 1 cup first. Careful, it's very hot. So, cups. And 2 cups. So I place 3 cups. Okay, that's it. 3 cups of brown sugar. Haluin lang natin. You can see. Wow. So while we're boiling and boiling it, nangyayari, yung tubig niya, matutuyo siya, di ba? Kaya may iwan yung talagang juice ng strawberry tapos yung sugar, matamis. Kaya itong gagawin natin. Jam. Just wait, okay? So, babantayan niyo siya kasi kanina nag-overflow siya. So, babantayan niyo siya. Tapos ngayon, may mga bubbles sa taas. Yun yung skim natin. Kita niyan yung bubbles. Tapos tatanggalin natin yan. Okay. Ne. 괜찮아. 고마웠어. 나도. Okay, thank you. Naamoy niya na ang strawberry. Yung strawberry jam niya mismo. So, wala na akong brown sugar. So, I'm just gonna use 1 cup. I'm gonna add 1 cup of white sugar. So, meron tayong 3 cups of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. And just mix it. Medyo lumalapot-lapot na rin siya kasi nga nag-add tayo ng sugar. Tapos nag-evaporate na yung water. Kaya mamaya, ayan ang may namumuo na sa baba. So, make sure that you're consistently watching this. Ayaw natin siyang ma-burn. So, ngayon nasa low heat lang siya para mag-simmer. That's it. Pa rin siyang yung mga foam. So, tatanggalin pa rin natin siya. So, this is with the 4 cups of sugar. 4 cups of sugar. And I made it to boil and then I lowered the heat. So, i-reduce lang natin siya. And later, we can see a very thick consistency. And after that, pwede na natin siyang i-repack. So, the strawberry jam, kailangan meron siyang tinatawag na pectin para solidify siya, parang jello. So, we added shredded apples, yung natural pectin sa loob ng apple, siya yung magiging magiging gel, mag-cause ng emulsification para maging jello siya. So, pag wala kayong pectin powder, so you can use apples, shredded apples. So, sama lang siya dyan and boil it. And later, you can mash it para ma-mix na rin siya doon sa ating strawberry jam. Or if you don't want, you can just remove it later. Okay, we have been boiling this for quite some time, maybe 30 minutes na. Kaya pag nakita natin siya, medyo nabawasan na talaga yung tubig niya. And dahil sa nilagay natin ng apple, yung pectin niya, nag-break, it started to emulsify. Kaya medyo lumalapot na siya, mas lumapot siya. So, ang ginawa ko, I took a strainer, tapos tinanggal ko yung apple. Ngayon, meron tayong test para malaman natin kung ready na nga yung ating jam. Para hindi siya yung malabnaw, para tama lang yung texture niya. So what we will do is to get our chilled plate from the refrigerator. Okay? So here we are with our chilled plate. Tapos wala ko ng spoon. Tapos I will just get konti lang, and then I will put it here. Dami ang pala. So what we want to do is to put it back again sa ating refrigerator. So after 2 minutes, so ilalabas na natin yung plate. So test natin with our finger. We will draw a line across the center. Ngayon, pag gumawa siya ng separation, so it means na clear separation, it means dapat ano siya, perfect na siya. Pero dito sa ating sample, nagawa tayo ng line pero bumalik uli siya sa gitna uli. Naging thin uli yung line. So it means kailangan pa natin siyang i-boil. Okay? So we will be boiling this more. Pero masarap na. So this is our second test. I got our yung chilled plate natin. Tapos ko tayo ng 1 spoon. Put it here. And then 2 minutes uli sa loob ng freezer. Okay? So we're back. So 2 minutes after that. So let's check. Okay, it's set. So, patay natin yung apoy, let it just stay there. Then cool a little bit and then ihanda natin siya. Pinatay na po natin ng apoy and we'll just let this cool down. Kita natin talagang lumapot na siya. So, cool down tapos i-ready natin yung mga containers natin. So, nag-sterilize po tayo ng mga bottles. Tapos, nag-pack na po tayo sa dalawang maliit. Maglalagay na tayo ngayon dito sa isang malaki. So, medyo mainit pa yung bottle natin. Lagay ko muna siya dito sa loob. Para may makawakan ako. Tapos, lagay natin dyan. Tapos, baka sa tingin ko, ba't malabnaw? So, mamaya, pag na-chilled na po siya, dun siya, medyo magiging parang jelly. So, yung iba, ginagawa nila, minamash lang nila with their own hands yung strawberry para may strawberry chunks. Pero okay lang din, i-mash o okay lang yung pag-i-grate. Hindi na siya pupunin. So, there you go. So, we have made 3 bottles. Pero marami pa. So, wala lang tayong container as of now. Okay? So, that's it. So, pupunasan lang natin siya. And then, yun na po yung ating homemade strawberry jam.